AROMA surf right here down by the beach. And today's special mix is garlic sauce pasta. See you in the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen, and here comes the garlic. Today, 2 heads are better than 1. First, we're gonna halve the garlic heads using some kosher aluminum foil and adding a drizzle of olive oil. We're going to wrap them up. Setting the oven to 400 degrees, we're going to pop them in for about 30 to 35 minutes. And from out of the oven and into the mix. Make sure you let them cool down first before squeezing them into the bowl. They're hot. And we're gonna squeeze them. And we're gonna squeeze them good. Make sure not to get any of the skin in the bowl. Fresh green onions, and we're going to slice them sideways at an angle. This maintains their texture so they don't get soft. Adding some Hawaiian salt to bring our water to a boil. Then we're adding our linguine to cook. Giving the green onions a quick saute, but don't fully cook them. They'll finish when they're served with the pasta. And here comes the miso, and we're gonna add that miso to our garlic squeeze in the bowl. A pinch of black pepper, but not salt this time. We're using a medium brown miso, which is about medium salt level and a little bit sweet. Adding 2 spoonfuls of our boiling pasta water, and then we're going to continue to mix it up. The magic of mixing the miso with the squeezed roasted garlic is that the garlic's texture comes out nice and thick and creamy, and with the miso bringing out a nice natural balance in saltiness and sweetness, but not heavy in garlic taste. Checking our linguine. Good to go. Firing up the skillet again. A little more olive oil. And we're going to add the linguine to the skillet. And now adding the miso garlic sauce. And we're going to mix it up. Giving it a final check. A little more Hawaiian salt, the final balance. Ready to serve. Looking so good. Smelling amazing. That garlic aroma filling the air. Adding our sauteed green onions on top. And we're good to go. Dinner is served. Enjoy. The miso with the roasted garlic is such a great combination. Just an awesome flavor and the texture nice and creamy and light on oil. Mahalo for watching. And don't forget to please like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the kitchen soon. Aloha.